Want to know how to copy or move files to USB drive from your Samsung Galaxy A25? So, as a first step, we would need to take our USB flash drive, or in my case, I have connector with a SD card in it. It works the same, so there's no difference. And the next step that we need to do is to check if the cable is Type-C, and if not, it will unfortunately not match your phone because Type-C is the only supported one. And now, as a next step, we would need to plug our cable into the charging port of our phone, just like this. And as a next step, we would need to open an app which is named My Files. So let's open it. And here we would need to choose the type of file that we would like to transfer to the USB. So for example, I'll choose images. And here you would need to select all the files that you want to transfer to the USB. So I'll choose some photos here. And as a next step here at the bottom panel, we can see two main buttons, which is move and copy. If we will choose move, the files will disappear from your phone and they will be left only on the USB flash. But by clicking on the copy button, the files will stay on your phone and you will be also able to see them on the flash drive. So let's click copy, and here as a next step we would need to find our USB. In my case the name is USB storage number 1, and here choose the folder where you would like to copy the files. Then we can click copy here. And this is it. Now we have successfully copied the files, and we can also check it by opening the USB storage number 1 and then finding the folder where you have copied it. And this is it. Yes, they are here, and that's it. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.